Kublaya pe baro kiba pet yakane ko kupor upet ngo Cable News. Kimat makong san menta katayo kilong. Rai ka KHADC, JHADC ban GHADC ban persya yak uniform civil code. Inya chakamat ka sarkar ban penkendria yak ibasa athemeto. Penkutno ke NHIDCL yak kontrak bat ka AR SS nabashna torti yak surok. Wengno yak BSF na po kasnong amlarem dawa ka KSU na ka sarkar jala. Kang ke FKJGP yakumbasan hadu unril tuli ke karkhana HMIDC umyam na bapenya claim trading ne labor license. Berat nyut pathar ke riu shim kabu hasilan ter ke Butcher Road. Bat sakat nu insertok ki ba tang nakadaw ka jingdko trekam ka sarkar. Ki Chief Executive Member CEM Jongki Laitali ki Autonomous District Council ADC ke jala kelaya kendo hakala sing ublay bada ka wei ke jingmut kila shim ya karai ban persyajur ban pentrekam ya ke Uniform Civil Code UCC hapo ke jala kamtam hakijaka ki bahap hapo uput usam jongka council.
Ha kini kejingilang lawan bani shim benta da Chief Executive Member ka KHADC ubat Titus Starwell Khan UCEM ka Jandi Hills Autonomous District Council ubat Thombor Shiwat pat UCEM ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council u Ali Binosh Armarak ha ka beladan langru ki chairman bat ki Executive Member Jangki District Council. Habayakran beginang pathai kubor ubat Titus Starwell Khan ulong baga jingalang kala shim ekarai bagi District Council kin shimlang ya ke resolution ha yang dorbar ban persyajur ke jing pentrekam ya ke Uniform Civil Code UCC ha jaka bahap apa ke 6th schedule. Kamtam habaga UCC kan kata ekbor baga jing trekam Jangki District Council ya ki riti ki dustur ki jing lek tenrai ki snong ki thau bat ki kibai. Chief Executive Member ulong baga sarkar jelaru kan saya ya kejuk gelinti sisian bagi lai tili District Council ke jela kila menjur resolution. Ulong ba kum bakalong ha kabayday bat ka Citizenship Amendment Act ba kamla bantrekam hagi schedule area kumta ka UCC ru kam day bantrekam hagi schedule area.
Intention of the central government to introduce their bill of Uniform Civil Code in the country. So we feel that UCC will directly had an impact on the powers and function of the Autonomous District Council, especially with our custom, our traditional practice, community as a whole. So we have unanimously decided that jointly we will pass a resolution that implementation of UCC in the 6th schedule area will be totally opposed. There are so many problems, as I have said you, that it will affect our traditional custom, like our marriage system. So you see, once this UCC has been implemented, we'll have only a uniform marriage system, right? But here in our custom, we have different. Even religious also it will affect it. Even those who have the traditional custom also they will be affected. So as we scheduled tribe, we are feeling that this implementation of UCC will not be able to accept in our state.
So will you also urge the state government to also oppose?
When we pass a resolution, it means like that also, that the state government also will have to go in the same line. Like we have opposed this implementation of CAA, so the CAA has been accepted in the schedule area. I think UCC also should be accepted in the schedule area.
Ha kawai pat kaliang kilai tili ki District Council ke jela kilarai ban persyajur ban pendrung ya kekentian unrepresented tribe ban village council ha kejing pengkelat mai ya ke 6th schedule jong keriti sensyari. Bat kene kejing syem kene garai ke dihadian bagi sarkar pedeng kalapan jeng mut biang negi District Council. Ubat Titus Starwell Khan ulong bagi District Council ki persyajur ban pendrung ya ke unrepresented tribe bat ha kejaka jong village council di ban pendrung no daga village development council. Uli itu belada pentrekam ega village council kan pentlot ega bor pagajing trekam jogi dor barsnong. UCEM ka KHADC ulaong. Bagi lai telig district council kila shimru ega rai ban persyaat jor ega jing pentrekam ya ka suamit ba skim na ka sorkar pedang namar kejela ka don ya laga jong gariti bat kendo. Bat ki district council kida waru na ka sorkar jela ban aki biang haki na gebenta ban ai schedule tribe certificate kumblale hagi por ke bamenchwa.
So we would like that amendment of 6th schedule should be passed by the central government soon in the parliament. But there are some issues which are still pending regarding two issues. That is the implementation of village council in the scheduled area and unrepresented tribe. These are the two issues which are still pending, which needs to be elaborated more, to discuss more. So we have discussed this matter seriously. I would like to inform you that we have highlighted to our friends from Garo Hills and Jaintia Hills that in KHADC we have passed act which called Village Development Council Bill. So we would like to see that even in this two council also, which they should pass this bill, so that implementation of village council will no longer implement in our state, because we have our own traditional institution. Because according to this proposed amendment, the implementation of village council in our state will dilute the powers and function of our traditional institution. So we will not like to see that our traditional institution will go away. We would like to see them to remain with our traditional practice. So that's why we have decided that these matters will be discussed in the respective council soon, and they have also their own bill in the respective council, like Jaintia Hills and Garo Hill also. Maybe they will have more amendment, or they will pass this separate bill, which we call Village Development Council Bill. Once we clear these two issues, then I think from the central government also they are willing to pass this amendment at the earliest.
As far as the number of seats,
regarding number of seats, we are already agreed right from before. It should not exceed 40 seats. So that we have agreed. All the issue we have agreed, but only these two issues we have not yet agreed. So that's why it brings us to more discussion regarding this matter. So that's why we take this call to call this meeting to discuss about these two issues. One is unrepresented tribe, that we are totally against. Even the state government also are the same line with us, that we are against about implementation of unrepresented tribe. And secondly, regarding village council, this also we have discussed that we will propose, instead of village council, we will propose village development council.
Already highlighted, but only the things that you see in our Jaintia Hill District Council, we are already having that act, that appointment of chief and headman, Act 2015. But we had already discussed here, if that act we had already have with us may not be approved or may not be accepted by the central government. So that is why we had already decided jointly within three autonomous district council, we will have this village development council to be formed with immediate effect.
So now also we would like to urge the state government that this subject should be given back to all the autonomous district council for issuing the scheduled tribe certificate.
And we have discussed regarding this one.
PRC.
PRC, yes.
Yeah, that issuing of PRC also by respective deputy commissioner. So this issue also we have to get before issuing any PRC. by the district administration should get first the confirmation from all the district council.
Ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, ka Jainti Hills Autonomous District Council, bat ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Kila dawaru na ka Sarkar Jala baka daiman ay ka jingken ka babiang thik pathik halor ka baha na ka khajna leng baki marpo khando ki bakan top iki minor but major minerals. Bat kumjo na ka khajna kali ne ka motor vehicle tax. Ubat titas Starwell Khan uluong bagi District Council ki jiyo ay ka baha na ka Sarkar Jala leng baki marpo khando bat ka khajna kali. Ndrai kim yo apat ke jingkan ke bapaka kaban peni katno ke sarkar kli olum bat katno ki diban yo ke baha ndrai ke sarkar jela kala syu ai bet kumtu ke baha klem ke jing peni pat katno kli olum baro u CEM ka KHADC ule thuru bagi district council ki kentu ke sarkar bagare ban plat kloy ke song pisa lengba ke finance commission ke bakat san kabla air ke sarkar pedeng badu loong banamar ke jing penslam ban plat ikan ke pisa bonsin ki district council kim yo ban pentre kam no mardor bat kim yo ru ban IT yak utilization certificate hapo kapor ke balabo.
You see, we used to get a share from the state government, like minor mineral share, major mineral share, and motor vehicle tax share from the state government. But unfortunately, all these years, we never get a correct calculation how much our share used to be. We always got a lump sum amount of share. So we would like to urge the state government that at least we should get an actual calculation regarding this matter, all the shares. So we would like also to urge the state government to get more fund for all the three ADC, especially like the plant scheme, other financial assistance, and even we have discussed about the delay in our 15 financial assistance, 15 Finance Commission award, which we used to get from the central government, regarding like the GTC, or to urge the government to release our fund in time, because the delaying of release of fund is also the delay of implementation of the scheme, because from the central government they used to give us pressure to submit the UC, but we cannot submit our UC in time because we didn't get our fund in time. So right now we are not getting our fund, like on-tight scheme right from 21, 22 to 23 we have not get. Like health scheme also we are not getting till now. So these are the problems which we face by all the three ADC. So we would like jointly to urge the state government to see this kind of delaying in implementation of the scheme should not be taken place. Fourthly, we have discussed about the implementation of this Swamitag scheme by the central government, that we are totally opposed regarding this implementation of this scheme in our state, because our land tenure system is totally different from other states in the country. We have our traditional practice, we have our own land holding system in our state, so that's why implementation of Swamitag scheme in our state we are not accept.
Usimbot Menteri Rangba Kajala Oba Preston Tensong hakasngi hat majai jong katayo ulong baka sarkar kan penlet jingmut bat hakaban pentrekam yak roster system bat ka sarkar kan yak chakmat hakaban penkendria ikibashong basa athemetor shakawai pat kajaka.
Habai keren beginong patai kubor sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala Oba Preston Tensong ulong baka sarkar kan kemi biang bat kan pule benia halor ka roster system. Bakarang yat akan kebentah kapedai bat kene kamat. Ulang bagi sarkar kan selalu megajinglang bat baru kisengsan perthai benekran halor ke roster system ndreswa bagian le ekani kinekran bat atai sani bah haka kenhun menteri bat onsi atai sani bah haka kenhun jong sarkar MDA. Haka bedai bagajing dawa jong kibabun ban penkelano ek reservation policy jong kejela usembut Menteri Rangba ulang baban penkela lanie ban amen. kan ommi namar bakam dekaan. Henry kedatang ke polisi ke Belawan Rak bat sedang naduk kesnem syajar kendai sebab nyepuar. Ulang baula yei bakawai kesengsan pertai keladawa bariban penelong ya kedorbar bekerpang ya keba dan kami yei. Lajno satang lada kesorkar kedon jing temu ban penkelano ya kenu-kenukaan. Ubah Preston Tensong ulang bagi jing sokia jungi babon balang bagi patba akadai halal ke roster system bat keladawa bariban penterekam nang ni syakmat om naduk kisnem giba mensyua. Harga bayadai bagi jing dawa keseng VPP, ubah Preston Tensong ulang bagi VPP kebuk syarut ke roster system ndrai kebuk hakamat ke reservation policy. Ubah Preston ulang bayar mentahi umpat kuat banong AA, namun kesorkar kan jengmut syua tang harga bayadai bagi roster system.
Right now, the duty of the government is to again revisit and study properly about the roster system, and we are on the job. And very soon, most likely, maybe the month of May, all political party meeting will be called by the government. And not only that, before doing that, we will have a detailed discussion in the cabinet. We'll have also a detailed discussion within the MDA partners who are also part of the government. This is not the act, it is only a policy. And this policy has been started right from 1972. So the question of, even I saw one political party, they demanded that we should have special session, which is not at all needed, except if we intend from the government to amend the act, the existing act, the highest authority to agree to the amendment means it is the Legislative Assembly. See, just demanding that we have to review the restoration policy, it is not as simple as that. It is not at all as simple as that. So, when you talk about roster system, yes, now the government is seriously examining this issue. And once that is done, cabinet will sit down, MDA will sit down, and then ultimately we will invite all political parties, and then we will invite also all the stakeholders in one go, where we will explain exactly what is the roster system, how is it taking effective, is it retrospective or is it prospective. Because right now, as I said to you, the concern of the stakeholders, the concern of the people of the state is about the roster system, that it should be implemented prospectively, not retrospectively. I think that is the main core issue. I've seen it even quite a number of NGOs in the state. They demanded the same way, the same thing. But when you talk about the reservation policy, that's what the first agenda for the government is, the roster system. So I'll not be able to tell you exactly about the reservation policy, because VPP, they demanded that they keep aside the roster system, and their priority is reservation policy. And reservation policy right now, as I said to you, I will not say anything, because now the focus of the government is on roster system.
Usembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejela ubah Preston Tensong uluong bak Sorkar Jela kali opdiang ya kasiti ke balapha deka Harijan Panchayat Committee kabal kentat ya jing terwa. Dari ke Sorkar Jela kan ya baca kemat hagaban penkendria iki brio ke basyong basa atham metor. Uluong bak Sorkar keladap ban pha iki kot kisla show Advocate General Kejela bad hadin buladap ban pulia benia ken sasyong ya kejing elang. La ban kedauhang ni baka Harijan Panchayat Committee hakatayo ko balalej kalapha ke siti sya ke Sorkar Jela hakabakala kentat ke jing terwa ke Sorkar ban penkendria no iki na themetor sya ke wei pat gejaka kabalapan krea da ke Sorkar.
We received a letter on the 20th of this month. They sent a letter, and then their stand is very clear that they don't accept the blueprint presented by the government, sent by the government to all of them. Okay, so that is the case right now. So, if you ask me whether the government will go ahead with the proposal, the proposal is very clear. Relocation, as I said to you from day one, relocation has to take place. Whatever you say, relocation has to take place.
Ubah Preston ubah kami ekatenat korban ri Kejela uloong bagi Sorkar Jela kan pentingna bagi zero level ke debendan habarok ko bagi Kejela. Bat on lek ke beteng persya agibati bat kai bia nya uduyong. Ulang baga jing temu jong ke sarkar jela kalong ke masyai kedar. Lagre ke sarkar ke belalej, ni ke sarkar ke bamenta. Bat ula keren baga kenhon high level kam day bandon, bat ula pentikna baga zero level ka day bandon habar ke jela. Ha kabede bat ka hukum ka bala pandemi dak yang syari banbo yash pautli ki company ki Central Armed Police Force CAPF ban kemi ki bakhayi udo yong blati be an uba preston ton song luang bag sarkar jela klada pha dak jing tho sak sarkar pedeng ha kapor ke balalet kat kum gajing batha jong yang syari ban pen biang ya gajing ajing syakri di Central Industrial Security Force CISF bat ya mentahi om 4 lak banong ye lak sarkar pedeng kan lan em ban pen biang ya gajela ki CAPF. Uba preston tensong ula kamru bakam don syo gajing khayi ya udo yong ha gajela. Bat kino kebedan kti ha kaban khayi be an udo yong ha kisurok ken sya kurup bat sya kem lot kat kum ki kendon an.
We have already requested from the government of India, but they cannot provide us the services of these people. So again, even with this order force, I still don't know yet whether they'll be able to provide us the services of these people or not. So right now I can't say anything. Well, the intention is very clear from the government side, be it the last term or be it this new term. But I'm very clear about it. That so-called high-level committee should not be there. And in fact, on the ground, it is not there. And I'll make sure that zero level prevails throughout the state of Meghalaya. Whoever transport or whoever taking the movement of coal trucks on the road, they'll be seized and they'll be arrested as per law.
Uba preston tensong ulapan pau bagi sarkar jela kan selum mega jingalang bat ki lightly ki Autonomous District Council jong ke jela haswa ban cheme karai ha ke bedai bat ke jing terwa ke sarkar pedeng ban penkla thamai kendon jong ke 6th schedule ka riti sensyari. Uba preston tensong ulong bola kentui ki District Council bakin syong ya ke jingalang bat ban ai ki jing ai jing mot ke sarkar jela. Bat komba kalong menta ki District Council rengkat bagi sarkar jela ki Persyajur ya ke Village Council bat ya ke unrepresented tribe.
Unoy hasaan bapau khamat ke jela uba VJK kenta hakasngi hat majai jong katayo ulapan bana ba ulami no nakaseng san partai Bharatiya Janata Party BJP.
Habe keren bikinong patai kubor uba VJK kenta ulong bola syem ya karai ban mino nak BJP kadai namar bagani kaseng hadu menta kam syem lapen kamti ha uya kenong kam ban le AA nak benta gajat ban reo gejela bro kawai. Bat walau lalong udukot syem la syakot setia ha kinu gejingalang ne banedan benta ban syem kinu kirai ha kaseng. Uli itu bagi jing temu jungu ban peniasok bagi BJP kadai ban trai nak benta ban kentiau ya kabah kamiat gajat ban reo. Nrai ke jingle jong ke BJP kala penduk mensiem no yu bat ke peni bagaseng ke iben yu bat ki kam ki ba ulale kumunong sajaan uba kenta ula kubur bagi ladon bon ki bla jing mot bat kerpat yu banekon ki election MP syakalok sabha na ke Shillong seat nrai unhap ban perkhat bahai kani namar kam dei ka kam ka basok kham tam habu de no sajaan bat dei uriu san perthai bat nang ban penbiet ne pengop ikipat ba da kapisa.
Di kalong ke ba susi ba ka jingjoin jonga hakani ka party kalong leno ai namar ba hadu kini kisi kam simdan kanunu ka jingkhot yanga bandon ki meetings ne ban aikam ajam ne bangan le kanunu ka kam namta ka jingha jong ka state di ngakwa ban penpau ru hang ni ba ngasulong thikum ka to ka sla ka super ha po sla Te ngaso bakat bakadang per kadang bah palan tin re la ka ngam julop sakani ka sla ta kala kamantoy shu yanga te nga kabahi bangami ka por ka badai ban mi bad kala shim ya kani ka kabuksian ban mi no na kani ka political party bad gan yaitre kum leader bad ki kam ki jam ki jonga ki kren kham jam habang le ki ka le namta ka jing bahi jong ka jai ban riu jong ka ri Bat kata ke jinglong edri ke jonga kanumdu lanu ru di hakni ke por ngasukwa ben pentip gi parlok parjor barkhan ba kladon ke jing bakla linti ke jonga long no ba tikhu mau jing thot ma la jing thot no ti hakni ke por ngakwa banong lasi ngala bakla habang kran bank kran kho ki political parties but lasi Kala bandon kasawan kapor kabangan sadon bentah kanunu kaseng ngam tip ti ya mentah hi ngam don bentah syu bat kanu ka political parties te nganyai trai ban kata bi ki issues ki ba affect ya ka jai ban riu ba di ka lawe jeng ki khon ki ti ki jungi ki ba bon hi ki tendro yang ba ngadai ban yale ya ka MP nang ni na po Shillong seat te hendrei kam dei ka kam ka basuk namar kumbangan supan pau ha ni ka por ngam dei politician. I'm not a politician. Te bangan le politicking du kam nang ban kapisa ka dengka ban su berat ban supan bam pisa du kam nang nga kei ka bangam da sutanat ya kalong ba ban job ya ka election to win an election you need to bribe the people kata kadiki kei ka bangam da suya ha te kani ka kam politics hi kadi ka kam mon soba te ki pai ba jing shisha kim di ban long ki ba khwan man toy la ki kwa yenu no ban long MP ne ban long MLA kim di ban don kata ka jing dawa pisau dawa tingka hoi kadi ka jing shisha ba ki pai ba lani ki parlok ki parojor jonga na kapor ki tenro yanga ba sobha ba finyang no ka election MP Henry hakni kapor hi ngamla ban ai kata ka statement yes I'm going to contest ya kani ka Lok Sabha election. It is not so easy at this stage. I cannot make a comment. Te kadai ka jing shisha ba there is no political parties who have approached me to be their candidate for the Lok Sabha election. Kita kadai ka jing shisha. Te hakni kapor hi bangan ai ka commitment yes I'm going to contest the Lok Sabha election from Shillong seat. Perhaps will be not correct kan.
Ha kabay bagamat ban penkenria ano igi basa athem metor sigi bay pergijaka na kaliang uni-uno ya satan. Uloong banaduk kisnam gi bamansyau la ban keren na kabasay baglenti kababyang ban penmino ini gibreu gi basyang basa athem metor kadai tang da kajing kon mokok duma halor ko hoklong try ya kajaka kaputa nega civil suit. Uba kenta ula penken mau bag hukum jong single judge ke yang syari Meghalaya High Court da retired Justice S.R. Sen. Ubal kento aku hukum baladadon kam ban wengi gibreu ke basa athemetor dei ban yakun da kemokot duma halor ko hoklong tra ya kejaka uba kenta ulong ba ka jingkam tra ya kejaka di gibreu basa athemetor kelong ke baklan ba badai nomar kania ba ke ba ban kun persyak di gibreu ki bamla ban kam tra ya kejaka
kabadai ka them yo molong ngong ba da lele ru pinumla ban kendang ye gini gibreu kadai tang ka civil suit ka bala ban saiso ngala deb ong lupa ba u single judge uba u justice S.R. Sen ula retire menta ula ai ka hukum bala dodon kam ban weng yakini gibreu pihak ban le lumba ka civil suit te nga yai ban yang hakani ka por ba phile kumno ru banong ban kendang yakini gibreu hi kalong ka bae namar possession is 9 point of law. She said if he done in possession, they haka legal parlance kalong bar possession is 9 point of law. She said if he dakol, mday tang si po ar posnem. Pala dek si pa san posnem kila dakol. They kam day syo kam ka pasok. Mantaban identify manobari ki genuine settlers. Kiba siyang hang tuwa to kapor. Nakaliang ki employees yang municipal but identify mano badai ki illegal settlers kadai ka kamba kamsan ka sitom ha ban perkhat te kalong ke ba ka sarkar kalathmu ban kendria ki te maganda dai legal advisor jong kini ki harijan yasi ngan jindala don bha kata ka dialogue bat ka sarkar nasi ban kongo ikai bag sarkar katrwa nomor haka bak hadu hi ngikwa ba kandon kata ka jingsuk ya kaya kayang nang ten them yo mulong haka ju kapor ngikwa pan penhe gi surak ngikwa ro bakandon ka nice parking lot haka to jaka nomor kamde ke jaka batang arpo 1000 square feet ka kham he shushu te kanumla ban batai haka ni kapor ka jing he to jaka pecha asam pecha UP se lakidon kanu ka ki illegal settlers lane pip tang po asam lo ne tu ki forest land ki kendang dan te hani ngai baka sarkar hi katlot kadon kata ka jing suki bat ka jing aste te ngaso ba at the end of the day pat te kam mentoi pin aste parat te ka ba best hi ka option kalong ba ban file da ka civil suit ban evict ikini gibrio na te ka chaka
Usimbot Menteri Rangba ke Jalau bak Preston Tensong hakas ngihat majai ulalom ya ke Jialang hakabia day bak ke Jingshna ya ka Surok Shillong Dauki bat labatha ya ke National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL ban penkre ya ke Senjam ban pen bakan amdan ke Jingtua Kandau harangan.
Hagani ke Jingelang ke belalum do bak Preston Tensong ubalong Menteri Ketenat PWD Roads and Buildings lawan Malaysia bentar di gihe jong ke NHIDCL gihe officer Ketenat PWD bat kiwe-kiwe. Hagaba kletai sani halor ke jing tua ke belajar harangan bat ke beladap ru ban itu igi kato kini gejaka ke beranjing ma namar balawan ke Porliur. Habai keren begini patai kubor ubak Preston Tensong uloong bagi riu syampang jong ke NHIDCL nakalan technical kin sepen kreak action plan kumno bania cakmat bat bantau ke kenhuan ke bakerpang na ke benta kidu-kidu gejingja ki bakerki ki bantre kambro ap sakunta. Ubak Preston Tensong ule thu bag NHIDCL klepentip bagladap ban penkut no e kejing ai kontrak ha ke ARSS namar kejing pentre torti ke kam ka bahap apo ka package 2 ya kejing snai ke Surok nama liam shado penursla bypass. Nalor kini uli thu bag jingelang galasim megarai bag NHIDCL kadiban khot tender biang na kebenta ban pentre ke project ka bahap aka package 1 package 4 but package 5 jong kejing shna ya ke Surok Shillong Dauki.
We are having a meeting now. I reviewed the entire project of JICA from Shillong to Dauki, and we also discussed because there is PIL against the progress of work of the Shillong Dauki route. Nilai discussed lut na Shillong. Hakaba ka package 1, then ka package 4, package 5, kinya ya ka retendering process nakaliang jongka NHIDCL. Well, you know, I was informed by the NHIDCL that this it seems cancellation has already done against this ARSS due to the poor progress of work. So the head office of NHIDCL, they already terminated the contract agreement with the ARSS.
Kani ka package 1 ombak kandon kani ka retendering kadi na ipot kata.
Kani ka flyover. Kani ka flyover kabon nadu na umserpi. Nadu umserpi full lane hadu ang tay hapo Banyun. Kada waktu ka opposite jong ka PHC Banyun.
Hagawai pekaliang ubak Preston Tensong ule thu bagi kali ilayo baniat biang na kajaka beranjing tua harangan. Bat kikam gijam gidang ya cakamat akaban penkut ikan kejing tua bat onele ban pendap bagi niki kendiat sengi banwan. Ule thu bak office jong ke SDO civil kala perking ke jingya ki kali hakapor menmiet. Bat labatha ki patba bagi mendai baniat dengan kajaka namar kamlong kebasngan. Nalor kini ule thu bula dat betha ke NHIDCL bahkan penan kamlang ya kiriu syampang jongka Geological Survey of India bat ke IIT Guwahati. Bala dat beruban betha ke NHIDCL bancem ki senja man pentikena bakum kene kejingja kam dei syuk banja hadian habut.
Again, we discussed about the landslide prone area where we identified few deplorable one. How to take care of this coming monsoon because it's so dangerous. So we already discussed all the details. Then the technical people from NHIDCL, they will prepare the plan, the action plan, how to go about it, and how to also make sure that the dedicated team for any emergency work, it has to be there 24/7.
Kakenhon Awakening India Movement AIM Meghalaya Steering Committee hakala sking uplay kala dawa badeban kang shisendon ban penlong yaki no kinuki kam khalai hakajing penlong yaki mela hakanong ba Shillong.
Habai keren beginong patai kubor unong yalam ka AIM MSC ubak bansai marbanyang uloong bagaseng kalalit barai dekedor ka sa Deputy Commissioner jong District East Khasi Hills USC Sadhu Bandawa ba omdai ban sya syuk ban penlong ya kinu-kinu kejingil akai kalai hakimela ki balong hak nong ba Shillong. Ulong badang syan kawi ka kenhuan ke manabar ke jela kala penelong ya kamela haka parking lot Apollo. Nrei ka belengok kolong ba kamela kabadi bandon ni kijing lakai ki ban pensau tenat bat bernya ki kelung kena. Labon setang di kam khalai bat kani kalong ke bam hap satya. Uni unong elam ulong ba gajing yo lat ban penelong ya ki kam khalai haka kerteng jong kamela ka kata ajor ki kena namarkin lej bene thong pisah ki kam ya khalai da gajing mut ban yo pisah kambon. Balada ki kena ni ki samla ki ngop akini ki kam khalai kan penelong ru yaki ban let tu let thiem.
Barhani ke sengi ke bamenta namar balai ka pelong ya ka kenhun awaken in the movement bakan haban pa ya kini ke memorandum ka dauhi ke long ba hapok ka mela lapen bun daki kam ya khalai sudah. Balai ka jing ya khalai ke long ba anda habangi poi ha kini ki kendiat sengi barang don ke ka mela hapok polong ngilap ba ngidang mut ba kumalong sekiwi-kiwi ki jelang ki badan pokori India ngilap ba kamela kadon be ki entertainments games kambun nak mta ki kena baki youth mong no especially for students mong no mo andai anda bangilap pa kamela ka balong ni po shlong hang te po parking lot po polo ha kini ki sngi ngilap ban baki students ru ki yang menya khalai ha baki kena pule kin hapan ya khalai hatungin keno yaki Ning kena ya no, mana mau organize ni kamela? Hadu kat mentangim tiap, anda habangi tiap barbali kelong ba ya kamela ro lawan hiban pelong nabar jong kejela. Na jela nang nor ngim tiap habangi wat dukat menta. Kai ke dau ba bakongsan ke bangin habani kendo pa dia deputy commissioner jong ka SKC district kelong ba ngidawa si sundan ban pensange no ya ke gambling. Ya kini ke kam ya khalai hapo ka mela ka ban pelong pat nang ni syakmat. Namar balai anda habangi ya ka sarkar jela ka bala no ka sarkar jela ka barim ka lasdang ban pentri kam ya ka gambling act lasdang ban wanra ya ka casino po ka jela Meghalaya andai na pedeng ki seng bhalang ki babun ringkat ro ki pai ba ngilai yang persya ba omdei ban wanra ya ka kam ya khalai po ka jela because why ka jela Meghalaya kan dei ka jela ka barit pai ya ki babun na pedeng jongi por hoi ngi em po Meghalaya ngi de em ha pedeng ka jela ka barit pai ngidang persang ban yang ban yadai la ka jong ka riba ka jai ban riu kham tam ni lei ka mong no ha ka kam ya khalai dan rei menta namreng ka sarkar ka bathmai ngi iba kala pensange no ka gambling po ka jela ka gambling act kila pen sange no po ka jela Meghalaya ba ka casino ro klam pentre kam shu ngi kemen ngi skol tenat ban yo sngo ko ngi ka benta handrei anda habangi lapat napo ka ei ka bangi sngo si anda habangi poi ha po ka mela ngi lap babon na pedeng gigi masundrong hati po mela pinlap dah kami khalai sudah ki kena skol gerak ke pisah ki kun sam lagi jungi ki barang khidang san gerak ke pisah anda bagi kelong lagi babon dah ki hajar not ki kelong ki poi po kamela anda ba masundrong ki yu ibat bagadon ke kami khalai bat ke pisah ki keli papa mei kai getei ban yok pisah ne kai geni ke bentar ba kongsan hato ka monra ka jingma ka bakrawi ki kena ki jungi ki khon sam lagi jongi ki kena school ki kena pule ki jongi syai kin lek ki wai naka school hajaka bagin poi sying ki poi man chite sport mela anda pun ki kimi ki paung khon pidang chei ki ong gidan sport mela de ki kimi ki pa ki dang mut bas ngo shngan bagadon kamela namar kamela kadon sibun ba ki entertainment ki games ba pair hendrei anda habagi kena school pade ki kena samla ki jongi ki poi sport mela ki poi le yak halai ban Deke ai kini ke bentar bokongsan. Dena kata dau ba ngidawa hina deputy commissioner ba dia kini ka memorandum ka bangi pha menta ka sengiru ngin saai kopi ru sha u sir etimondal ubdei u cabinet minister in charge jong ka taxation department jong ka government jong ngom banong ka sarkar jela Meghalaya ka bamenta usa etimondal usim ban in charge ka taxation department ban nakaliang jong ka AIM omdei ba ong mengin chu sngap ru ya kini ka benta ya kini ka letter ka bang letter ban pha ngin ai kopi ru sabar khoi ki deputy commissioner jong ki district baper ki badan po ka jela Meghalaya de namar balai lada ya kamela ban pentrai kam ya kamela ban penya ya po ka jela Meghalaya ngim sngo per ai ru em lada ki don tangki entertainments ki games baper na ka benta ban wanra ya kataka jing sotenat jong ki babun hapna ki em lang ka salang hendrei ban ong ban penrung pat ya ka khalai hapo kamela nakaliang jungi nang ni syakmat ngin yang bani lek persya bangi kerpat ru igi paj ba nong song snong hapadeng ki snong baper ne kham tam ni legi paj ba nong song snong ki basnong hang ti hapo jan parking lot apo polo hajan ka polo ground day sports club department kadon hang te lada ki yo sngawe ka jing snawet nen tai man kapor ki pentip singi Dia bagi pentip senging yok sengau baka school kamtam ka badan hang tu. Ka syak pentut ba. Ka school Presbyterian Higher Secondary School ka badan hang tu. Ki syak pentut bagi kena school man kapor. Dengi ngimla ban chu sengap ngimla ban chu pet yang ni ka benta. Na kata ka dau hi ka kenun awaken India movement ka penpau hi ba ka jelam Meghalaya. Kan haban pensange no ya ka gambling hapok ka mela bat nang ni syakmat ro ka ka bangi ko aban ong sisendon kalong balada ka mela badi ban penyaj sengau bah ai ban penyaj hi haki minorities ki jongi haki jela ki jongi ki badon ki try nong song snong kumangi ki badai nak padeng ka khasi community gidon ki jaintia community lari gidon ki garo community agin penyaj maki ki try khamtam ni le ka long ni po shillong ka bolong ka shillong city angin penyaj hi mangi khasi ya ka mela hapo kano ka jaka badi ban pelong namar boleh ban syong bai direct si sendon ban ong ban wanra si sendon nak wei par ka jela kalong ka ka bakla lenti ban ngimla ban tip hiru ba ka tax ka ba charge na po ka mela ka le chano menta mano ba charge ka tax ladang i pa ki kontraktor ki ba pentrei ki kam baper ki chaor ka GST ki charge ki tax baper ki le thit tang yu wei u I mean ngamut le thit tang yu narot ro lane ki do bilat ro ki chaor tax ndrei ka ne ka mela ki charge tax lada ka mela ka don kam ban charge tax don kam si sendon do baka sarkar jelakan haban pe chakmar om banang baka sarkar kan yo ban charge ka tax naka jingya khalai andai ka sarkar jelaka de ban sotu syai nang ni chakmat ka kam ya khalai bat manuru bade ban ya khalai hang tu kumbala de tip syai ya ka kasino la pensange ya ka gambling ak la pensange balai pat an pentri kampat ya ka gambling mentah apo ka mela lada ka mela ka di pentri kam ka di bandon be ki entertainments ki games repair sange no gambling lada amla ban sange gambling ya kan ni keleto ngin pharu so chief minister jong ka jela Meghalaya u Sir Conrad Sangma ba ya ka mela ro an hapan sange no apo ka jela bro ka wei lada klemla ban pensange ya ka jing ya khala
Hashua bangin kimi iku kubor dengan ya phashwa shipor sakini kijing penpana.
When couples try for a pregnancy and pregnancy is not happening, so they do not know when to approach a fertility specialist. So if you are married for more than 1 year and your wife's age is less than 34 years, then it is the best time to see a fertility specialist to know the cause of infertility. But if your wife's age is more than 34 years and periods are painful, irregular, and she is a long-standing patient of diabetes and thyroid, then you should see a fertility specialist within 6 months of your marriage.
It's a real old folk song. It's a Khasi song, and you know the song. It was composed by anonymous. We don't know. Yeah, it goes like this.
Haba pai biang shaki kubor, ki pulet karib hoi district haga step jong ka arpon riu tarik uyayong, haba kila yok jing tip ki bapaka bakan don ke jing kayi bea new drugs, kumta kila penlong ya ke jing pen upshrip, haga ba kila yok kem ya arngut ki nong ki drugs ki batmu ban kayi bea new upadan hadu kan riu kilo tam shaka jela Bihar.
Kibor pulet ke distrik Ribhoi sasisian da ke jing trishtom. Banrat dengkong yang ke jing shalani udrox baru kunja haga step jong ke arpun ru trik uyayong arajar akulai. Haga por kendai beji AA keliok ban kem iki arngut kinong shalan drugs kibirang temu ban shalani udrox ubakya kumbakan riu kilotam na Tripura Shabihar. Kat kum ke jing tip beliolum ki pulet ke distrik Ribhoi keliok jing tip ke babiang halur ke jing don jigi beriu ke bertemu ban shalani udrox kumta kilapan upshrip haber nihat. Haka por kendai BJA ki pulet ke Anti Narcotics Task Force kila penyang ya kawai ke bas turis ke badanu number AS not UALC UASAW UAR. Bad hadian kat tu kene por onda lapoi kinong sakhi. La talasi kene ke bos bala yo kurup sansong udrox keberan ke jing he lala ke jong na ke pelajung di arngut ki beriu. Bad hadian bala plia bad keni penya de ki tes la syam bonu udrox udai umarwana uberan ke jing kya kumbakan real point R kilo AA. Ya kini kebala keno bagi subah dan keti haga jing shalan drugs bat bala kem no latip kerteng Komurohit Kumar ubana Bihar bat ka Prem Lata Devi ke bana Bihar. Nakaliang ki pulet kila kem ini ki arngot bala pengat iki kenon an NDPS Act bat ke jing toket kadang ya ceprang.
Kajing Ong, Chief Executive Member Jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, ban Scheduled Tribe Certificate show Shaki Khasi kibashim jait naukpa, kane kalapan ki win yiki babuan ki Khasi, kibanadu ki posnem menshua, bat hakisnem kibahadian ru kishim jait naukpa. Yakane lapan pau de kidkat Jongka Seng Singkong Rimpe Thamai haka je kendu bat kinong patai kubor haka arponyo tarik menta ubna yayong arhajar arpolai.
Kidikot Jongka Singkong Rimpe Thamai SRT hapo gajingelam u presiden uba tai bor kongji bat unong ai bot Jongka Nekaseng uba KA Pariat. Haka jing kendu beginong patai kubor Hashilong Press Club kilapan pau kajing persya ajur halur kajing kran u Chief Executive Member ke KHADC uba Titas Starwell Khan. Kumjo u Executive Member bakmi ekatanat ilaka. Kibalaong badai ban penduk Scheduled Tribe Certificate iktu ki Khasi kibadai ki kime ki kpa ki Khasihi ndai ki bashim jat nakakur jung ukpa. Kini girang ba kilabu jingkeli ki bor bahalor bahaba ka keme ka deka Khasi ukpar ude Khasi. Te ki khon pat tang namar baki ajat kpa an penduk no ek jinglong riulom joki hato kindai ki ai. Kani keseng SRT kam sungo yahap ru ekatkaan balawan rak deka KHADC. Namar ke jela Meghalaya lanyo bagade ke jela ke Bakerpang. Ha ke baki khon ki shimjat neka keme. Te kumno kene kaan kan terekam tang ha kathan badan ke bor jongka KHADC. Namar ha Meghalaya kidan lightly ki Autonomous District Council. Tekemut bagi bah harilum jantia bat garo kendang yo eka schedule tribe certificate. Lada kidai ki bashim jat kepa tang harilum khasipat kin yo. Kani keseng kelebuk jeng keliru bakumno ki kuon ki badai kimi ki khasi ke bau kepa pat ubam dei uriulum hato kenekaan kam kran ai.
Clause 15 appears to be derogatory to Article 21 of the Constitution of India, which states that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to procedure established by law. Tamut kadon kanunu ka contradiction hakatu ka clan bill ka ba ka district council ka pha governor. Kadon ka contradiction kadon ka jingno siliang ka jinglong mo ka bumbiang hakabay day bat ka hok long beriman beriu kat kum ka Constitution of India. Ki ka district council li kam dale humok bha. Mar ba kinu ki an ki balong ki state law ni ki local law. Dan ki district council bill la ki law. La ki contradict la ni ki tengkhu. Bat ki an la ni ki article jo ka Constitution.
Ai kan ni ka jet pariat bro ka dei ka ba ya ka. Namari pai di jangai di ba di jet pariat. Tenrei ka long kumta ba uwe ba ai mano mi pa udewan long ubreu ba shime ka tagajai daga jing songpon le sia to por ni nang yeri khna ni de tip ba ni aja chano ni metu tenrei dollar ba dangile ya nang perhat ga susu ba kasungwa kane ka jing ai ka jeng I pa ju ni ka long ka ka ba ila perhat chanai ila perhat changai ba namar balai ba klade ka por ba kane ka dustur pa ais ka zakin thei klade ban kut no ba klade ban IT ai bor no haka terpek no khan ka jung sundra tengah som ba kane ka an ju ka district council li ki shukan tian jubor yangi ki kasi khamtam ni kini ki ba aja pa ki ong ba ngi la pen ki ta ki dustur priti jam mri hagane ga jingmot hi ga long ba ngi tlam pen ki ta ga an ki dustur priti ngi su simbet ke ai ka bai ai mei pa jong ni habai pa jong ai ga ja jong I sanga I sim ga jing munjur ni mei I mei ru im don jing check eru ai ka ga ja chan lo da ngim don objection ni ai bali ka ta ka district council kan wan muslia I ka kamien kam sam jong ni kadi kamien kam sam jong ni bai mei pa ai kor pe jat hangi ki khoni ti kadi kamien kam sam jong ni bali ka ta ka district council kan wan muslia ya kamien kam sam jong ni kam dei wan long ta ro pi penmi ya ka an ki dei ban sim hi ta ki video mon song ba namar bakal di ka an ko bit biang nam ta jong ki ni ka an kam bit kam biang kata ka mot ki dei ban kan tat modol
Kakase Students Union West Jainta Hills District Unit hakasngi palai jong katayo kalalit ada ke dorkas yo sembut menteri rangba ke jala uba preston tensong bandawa wengno ye ki sipai BSF ki badon bean hapo kasnong amlarem namar ke la penthut bat pendik ya kalet kawan jong ki ba
Ka KSU West Jainta Hills District Unit hapo ka jingelam jong presiden ulat parasengkram baru general secretary Leningrad Tariang ila IT ke dorkas hau ba preston tensong belong menteri korbari ke jela ha ka bageseng kala kerpat u ba preston tensong banchim kya ha ban wengno ispai BSF ki badon bean hayo amlarem namar kamlong ka bayahap BSF makin pahara ha negasnong nama kadang jengai ba na ka jaka kaput bat kari Bangladesh ulat parulong ba ka jingdan jong ispai BSF ha kayo amlarem kalong penban ke jing ha ka ba kila pendek bat talasi yiki trashnong ki buan yo wan hat paru ulong bakani kalong bean ulong shosho bahaba ki trashnong ki bedet yo shadauki ki hab bani ajing bet shwan o komandan ke BSF balada kim panjang bet ki syakurup no akimar ki mata ki bagi thiet na yo ndrega basngosi pat kalong bagi spai BSF ki ailat pat ikinong Bangladesh banwan khai bean ha yo dauki kaseng gladawan usembut menteri rangba kejela bantu klar no mardor halur kini kejeng manakala yang ba preston ula patha eu deputy commissioner bandai ye no mardor halur kini KKSU kelamaham balada ke sarkar kamle KKSU kamdan denti pat dekungwei ndekin shim dagi senjam ki bateng
te marmar ila hukum yo DC jong was jaintia ba un toket lane bon khot meeting bat ban weng no amador ya kini ki BSF ba syong be ain siapo kayo amlarem namar kum bakalong hi kini ki BSF ki badan hang to ki pendik ya kalit kawan jong pai ba da kilet sayaw syahat da kilet segi sorjawai anak lawan kila khanra ya ki mar ki mata jong ki kila kni ya ki mar ki mata jong ki kira segi kem jong ki khen bagi dai ki mar be ain te nakaliang jong ni penram jur ya kane ke jingle jong kini ki sipai BSF namar ha ke jinsha kum ki sipai BSF kum ki nong yada yo put usam ki dai bandon segi jaka khaput te kabalango balai baki don segi yeu ki hat ki don segi snong ki thau te nakaliang jong ni penram jur ya kane ke jingwan khanra be an jong ki segi jaka ki bom dai hok ban khanra bat ka bok singsi galong ba ya ki pai jong ki balai yeu le hat menta sekitu ki nagi thain dau ki mok tapur ki de ban yo ya ki jing tho nau komandan jong ka BSF ki badan ha ka company lem kumta ki mar ki mata jong ki nagi wan na yeu na hat ki syakni bat kira syaki kem jong ki te ka bal ngo kalong ba hakiput kisam ba kumno pade ki pelailan ya ki khar Bangladesh ki bawan napa Bangladesh ban syong yeu syong hat hapo yeu dauki menta hakas yeu dauki dap tang dagit khar Bangladesh ki bawan ban syong dukan be ain ha ke yeu dauki te nakliang jongi ngi penram jur balai yeu do usnam jongi pi pendek bat yakine ki banabar pada pi ailat yaki bakin rum kin mi kat bamon te nakliang keseng ngi na mailat dalai leiru ba kine ki ai baro kin wanja do usnam jongi bat lada kena kejing keren jongi kam sai so lengba kejing kular jong yu minister jongi lada kam urlang ngimban se lada da keno galat galtiru banyada yu do usnam lajong na benta ka syong suk syong sai
ha kawai pat kaliang uni-unong yalam ka KSU West Janta Hills District Unit wetho bagasenggal kerpatru yo ba preston tunsong wan pak maramot no mardor ya kesurok jawai bypass namar kening surok kasnio subapalan bat ki kaliret kila syam jeng panyat kening surok ulong banamar kejing snio plat kesurok ki kali kila rungno syasor jawai bat kening kila penmi kejing dheng kali Ulitho panakaliang uba preston tunsong ubalong ru menteri ketenat PWD Roads and Buildings ulakular yang keseng ba onchen kai kening jing jong kipat ba nonglet nongwan
kejing kenu kalong bas tenat panakaliang jong minister badan buram jongi ila ong ba ila isu ya ko order bat ban menteri no yu tu surok bypass te nakaliang jongi ni kentu ya ka office jong deputy chief minister bagi juga por komo PWD minister bakin long ke balik ban pen yelek ban pen kloi nak ban menteri yang no surok nang baga pensuk ya kali kawan jong paiba namar kat kum gajing jia menta uneu surok khamtam gi kalirit kim long shu ban yai na gitu kijaka bat lengba jong kane gajing sneu jong no surok kala penkap ngi aru ya kasor juai namar gi kali gi badai nang to kim long shu ban yai kilayat be nang gitu gi surok ki ban mi sajuai tene kaliang jongi ni kermen scam ba lengba gajing kular jong minister bodon burom jongi ba ile no chai naga benta ban petsuk ya upai ba
Ukertong kaseng san partai Trinamool Congress TMC na Soyong constituency uba studing thaba hakala sing ublay jong katayo ulapan pau ba udan ya kejingkermen ke baskem ban job ya ka MLA election na Soyong bat ulapan remru ya ukertong ka National People's Party NPP uba samlin malngyang halor kejingkeren tokmet ya kino yalam niam
Habai keren beginong patai kubor uba stoding ulong bagaseng TMC kam sngo yahap yakini kejingkren kentho ukertong ke NPP persya ikinong ilam niam nagboong baginong ilam niam haba semabang kejingta ki klet no banduai bat ni namar kania bagi datang kinong batai om kinong lea ukertong ke TMC ulong bah kejing ilap election kejudan kejing tengko bat kinong ilam niam ki balang bat kiseng himasima ndai kami hap setia mencukren tomet ikinong ilam niam Uba studing ulong ba ukerman scam ban job iki election namar bagi pat ba ke Soyong kidai ki bastat bat ki kwa ke jingkala. Nalor kaniu la pencairu ba ke jing sapriang jongki kubor bagi MLA ke TMC ke penyaso no ba ke BJP kan dan jengkata AAU namar bagi nong alam ke TMC ladap ban pencai bagi dan Satya Yakum kani ke jing temu.
Kum kandidat jongka parti TMC na soyong konstituensi nga penpau ya ka jing sngukia ya ka jing yalap election jong kertong ka parti NPP hapo ka soyong konstituensi iba ding samnen malnyang halor ka jing kren domet jong u ya ki nongelam niam kum ki pastor ki nong sarai hakaba ulong ba kilong tangkum kinong batai om kinong le bat syusyuru ulakran ya kenika kentien hakaba ong ba ki nongilang niam habaki semajing bang jinta kila klet ru banduai dengan sengu ba halor gani ka benta na kaliang ka jongahi bat ke parti TMC soyong sosi barokwe ni sengu ba ngim sengu hap ya gani ka jingkran ke jongu keni kalalong ka keni kala kta ya keburam jongka inong yalam niam beper po kejalam khalaya kejungi namarban bangi campaign ya ka election ban penya tungku dengki nong yalam niam niki balang bat kasan hima sima tingis ngoba ke bangim sngo hap daliliru te ngia ya lagajong te khamtam ki nong yalam niam ngi buram yaki kita kinong yalam kinong trei mon sobha nam ta ka balang na ka benta ki nyam ba pher tingi brom ki ban ngim judon bentaru ban kentoi yaki kilong ki badan brom hadu kata
Artayo shua bagi patbak soyong constituency kan sami banjit thamai unong mi khamat jongki sakayang dabar thawan ke jala lami ke jingkeli yo MLA barim halor kapisa ka bakinong songshong kidai banyo lengba ke MLA scheme ha ka bala kenno bah ka thop kerteng bayo ek scheme bala dep siu ya kapisa kita kipa mi kerteng ki klem yo opdyang ya kan ni kapisa.
Kini kidi ginong song jong ke bahap apo ke soyong constituency ke bahap ke jingilam jong ba John Wankar ha ke jinge kedok bekinong pathai kubor ha ke arpnyo terek uyayong arajar arpulai hasilong press club kila keno batangkat kum ke jinge ojing ken jong kiba lapen tikena baladei ladon khat saungut ginong song ke balami ke kerteng joki ha ke thup kerteng bani ojing rap pisana ke MLA scheme ke balatep kum ke special rural works program jong ke senam arajar khatpra chaneng kat ba kini ki khat sangut kim don jing tewe ruem halor kani ka jing mi kerteng jongki ha ka jing ekran beginong pathai kubor ha kani gesni kini kinong shnong kle tho ru bakat kum jing wat jing tep lengba ka RTI na ka soyong CNRD block lalap pat baya ka pisa jong kini ki khat sau tuli gilong yeng ladap pelat baladap airu ya ka utilization certificate bat kat kum ka pisa ka balamang kadai 10,000 hado khat san hajar tengka.
Ka Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo Peoples FKGGP North Khasi Hills District hakasngi hatmajai kalalet ban khang khardep yaki karkhana jongki barjanla kibadan hapo ke Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation MIDC haomyam hadien bakalashem bakini ki karkhana kemshemla don satya yaka trading license naka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC
Ki nong yalam ke FKGGP North Khasi Hills District ha ka arpusan trek uyayong arajar arpulai kilalet ban khang tala ya palat san ne hendru teliki karkhana ke badan hapo ka Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation MIDC homyam hadin ke jinglap bakni karkhana kilat rekam kham dadan ne ka trading license barginong treru kimdan satya ki labor license bari ban yo na ka KHADC Hal kini ke jenglet jurep yakini ki karkhana ki badan hapok ke MIDC Omyam nakaliang ke FKJGP North Khasi Hills District lalam kemat da Ushan Lang Ding do General Secretary ha ke jeng dan lang kiwe kinong alam jong keseng. Habakrani kinong thok kubor Ushan Lang Ding do ulapen pau ke jeng sokhya ke bajur panlap badaki pau teli ki karkhana ki badan hapok ke MIDC ki dai ki bomdon ki kot ki sla ki babiang kum ka trading license badwat kinong treiru kimdon ki label license. Ulapan pau bagajingi alat jogini karkhana ban peniat iki kam klem dadon ki kot kisla ki babiang tang namar ke jingken sting jogi bor ka KHADC kamtam u executive member bedekmi ya ketenat trade hagane ke jela ke belawan raru ke jingdo dong ya ke yo ke kot jong ke jela sho Ushan Lang Ding do ulapan pau ru ke jing sokya ke bajur halor ke jing bamla bante lakam de bor ka KHADC Lor ke jing yo ban besok klik ki brio ki bamdai ki try jela banwan tray ki kam ki jam hagini karkhana kabala pendu nong ya ki try jela ki beri ki khasi ki besong klem kam klem jam balio kuboru badan na pedeng ginong peniat jogini ki karkhana ki ba jupenan kam de kabor ban penkiai ka kam ginong tray ki badai ki khasi tang mani olat ban thap kam ki brio ki bamdai ki try jela bat halor kani ka seng kanom ailat da leiru bat kanti peniat halor kani ka jingyo jing ujor.
Kapelong ingin mentakas nah kalian jong ka FKJGP North Khasi Hills bagi niwat nang ne ban jurep mentakas ya baru kini ke nduk ki factory hadu ki badai kini ke badai ki mill dari halor ka jing ya lap ni nak RTI jongi bangi RTI nam ta ka trading license bangi lap ba bun kini ki ba kini ki factory ki badan chane bun ki trading license jongki kila bun bikim don ya trading license ro bat abangi wat haba ya dei ba label license ro ilap ba ya pentrai hang ne klem da penekam hok ya label license kumba labu ya kini ki non tribal bikin le ya ka label license daya kan ni kono rem bangi ne kalian kesang bangi wat ba ngilap ru bikin nong tray kimdon ya kini ka police verification jongki nong tray kanang mentip kita ki bawan tray chane ki lok kidi ki bru bakuno da kidi ki babahan de ki gosneu nam bat sibun bangi lap hakine ki nong tray teng ki perlong jakari tengan bawan tray hakine ki jakat tray ki ba nabar dan kalian jongi kaseng sokhya habang yo slow nabi yo jintip kum kini ki don hapok kane ka da ka bakiwan tray hakine ki factory lane ki suwan tang pelong jika di tengan nakine ki jaka tray jongki bat yo snow ru lang ba ki nong tray ki bedai ki batray ki khasi jongi ki bawan tray hakine ki factory bun nakine ki factory ki ya nyon ki tray jongi ki penduk musim ki kanang ba makiken mi no nak jaka bi tray bikin thap no da ki briu lajong pat hakatu ka jaka ba tray ki khasi kamut katakin thap na lojong bade ki non tribal mensuang ngalai yo songkai ru badi wei kong ibatre hakan ka factory cement bat ilong ba tang ban be ki direct kimla ban be direct hanrei ban kini ya kakam jong kasi jongi ki swele da kabut santi jongki bakin penstom ki lana kin pressure ya kakam ki hadu ba ma iski ihap resign la jongna te ya kane ngin kalian keseng ngin buden lada dai hakikam ba ki kasi jongi ki tray na lane da dai hakano kalian kabaya dai hakini ki factory ka dan hangne ngini budin bait na kapor kanang ba kanum dan kane ka penekam bakla nalor ka trading license hadu ki labor license hadu yaki nong tray ki bawan na barjela bakin long bait ki banwan bait ka ba da kalenti ko kum ka kaan jeng kalabu tray na kadaw ba na kalian ka si konsil ro lang ba IM jeng trade along lapen trot palat bat kalang penongkam mi ki enforcement balabu bala siuhi da si konsil yaki ban tray rei la penlong ban yaki tang ban susong apa ki office jong ka district council ma klem kono kakam bakin yo pat gejeng tray thai wat ki enforcement ro kala thai ban song ngong subha pen dongkam no yaki ro bakin ya tray no bakin ya page igini trading bakin ya page labor bat kemjuro bakin page habro kilang habaya dai bat kini ki badain poka district council bakin page bahan menta ka bah kamiat jong bar khoj bat kemjuro section ban biang ya bangin ni bud din bat dadai ki nong tray kentam ya ki nong tray kasi jongi kai ka ba long hapo lada kidai ki factory lana kidai hapo kino ki jaka ka badai baki tray lada ki non tribal kinyon ya ki briu jengi ngiru nak keseng ni berdin baik bat dangilap kami kita ngiru ngin map jaki bat ngin ya baik baik ne berdin baik jaki ya hadu ba ngin dalap ya baru khoi jadi syabat ada ngilap ki briu balik am tap ngin pistom pat itu ki briu ki ba nyon yang kiri trai si jengi
Banshim kia baki pai nok chong shinong jong ko lingka ba kanong se ken yo ek bam di hagasi balang jong kata yo menteri sarkar barim ke jala uba hamlet son doling ulalat ban jurip ya ko pat mau lom shilong ban pat ya ke jinglong jingman ha ke jing pentre kam ya ke scheme sam lengba ke jal jivan mission JJM
MLA barim kemelim constituency uba hamlet son doling haga step jong ka arpunru terik wiayong hajar arpulai ulalit baniari daladia syak pat mau lom shilong ban budde ne kejing pentre kam ke scheme jal jivan mission ban penpoi bam di ha kesnong lengkap anong se kibadi kisnong kibahap ha ka census town ya kiba uba hamlet ula penrung kerpang uba hamlet sondoling ubre unong ai bot jong menteri rang ba kejela ulalit banjurep ketolong iban penpoi ke scheme jal jivan mission syanong se bat lengka kebadan ha sang men ha apa shilong Habai kedan beginang thok kubor hadin kejing jurep ubah hamlat ula penpau ba kejing jurep jogu kalong halor konong rem bani i bagani ke skim kadai keban sedang no syakmat kenang ba anla ban pendap ha kepor kebabiang ha nong se katanat PHE kalamang katsan poin prasau klur tengka ban pentreka megani ke skim na gebenta ki syajar arspa lepo teli kilong gieng kat bah lengka lamang arpu pra poin pra kendai klur tengka na gebenta ki hajar arspa sau arteli kilong gieng Hagani kejuk kesengi ba hamlet son doling uli thu ba ansak sam nane le ke drilling hadu hendru teli ha lengka bat artli hanong se bat leng ba kini kijing sam kenerap banang buan jako kenang bakan la ban pendap kijing don kam ha kasnong kumta ula kerpat kam tamigi engineer SDO ban treipen state ekakam Uba Stephen Lengdo ubade orang ba asnong ko lengka ula penpau kijing sengongo yaki officer ke PHE bat kam tam ya uba hamlet son doling ubla trishtom ban pendrung kerpang ya ke scheme jal jivan mission ha lengka bat ukerman scam ba kene ke scheme kene rap shibon ki pat ba nong snong on ladap kakam ya uba hamlet son la senran lang orang ba asnong ka lengka ki engineer SDO officer ke tanat PHE bat kiwe
ti lengba kan scheme jong ga JJM kinong snong jong snong lengka Banyok mentol lembaga kedek lani kata ka house petition banyok baru menghiang gelong arjar arspa sakuar bar nong se kemlong ba sejar arspa lai po ke bagi nong snong kinyok yak hiang ikedi gelong ke jingrap bukha nam ke nong snong tong artis nong lemba kedek scheme JJM pada kliang jongaru ngada karpat ya ka samtam di department PHE dengan samkroy marba kadang ka target man pendek ya kedek scheme nama marba la kumnu hapo bane march jong arjar salo ban complete ke registration pia ke jong ka department ini skaba gila pedet dia kini rekam bertumlang mantahi rekam kelaya chikman ka drilling po meka kelaya ko nong se di kelaya ke ni martin bangla pedet dia ka scheme po ka kuar bodo mar kani ka scheme JJM la da kamdan kanlong ka balen ai dan ni kanlong ka ba rem ke kanal scheme bodo ba kani ka jong warak di department pada nak pelangum sebab tu ya ki berling sistem apa dislong kelirap na kejuluk biang jog dislong apa ki atli dislong
Hagasi balang jong kata yo kinoyalam jong ka Hinyo Trap Integrated Territorial Organization hito Ribhoi District kilale chingo ik school ki badan hapo ke district haga ba kila sneng la karau but I mean sim ki kana bakin minot tham hagi chimpuli jong ki kanang bakin la ban pun orlong ya ke jing angno jong ki
Ban aimen siem bat ban penslur ki kon samla pulia bakin shimkia bat minot ikijing pulia boper kenang bagian la ban pas ba bat ban kiau hagi kerdan pulia jongki ha ka arpun ro tarik wiayong hajar arpulai kinong elam ka Hinyo Trap Integrated Territorial Organization hito Ribhoi District kilalit bandrong syaki katu kan gi yang skol banet sneng bat aimen siem ki kena pulia bat ru iki bor peniat skol bagian long shisha ki batri shitom ya ka kam ai jingikai ki bapaka syaki kena skol Hagani ke jinglet jong keseng hito syaki yang skul boper alam kemat dau presiden keseng uba ban karnayor ha ke jingdan langru ki executive member jong keseng kinong alam ke hito ke layo bandet aimen siem bat penslor ki samla pule jong ke skul Saint Francis ha ka krum ding ye ha ka MEECL ha ka Mengken High Secondary School bat kiwe ki skul ke badan marjan Hagani kesini nak liang kinong yalam kile kendok markmat bat ki kena pulih hakaba kila ai kitien phira bakum no gajing pulih minat top i gajing pulih boper ba gajing trish tom jengki kan penlong beriau ki kinong yalam kila banru ba menta ke jela Meghalaya kadang dan kam shibun ke officer ki ban pas ke kedan IAS IPS MCS MPS nang ta ki ban let pulih kalan doktor ki nurse bat ki be bat dai lengba ke jingmi jong samla pulih ki bang nuot bat thrang ban syem mekane ke benta bahkan salong ke jingkerku tang yaki hendrai ya ke jela hibrok kowe syuk kila ai ki kentin seneng bakum ki samla ki badang ki dangsar bat ki badang yat karta jengki ki don shibun ki jing pensoi ki ba persyang menelam bakla ne ban penjot ke jing im jengki hendrai kim dai ban plet jingbot halor kini ki AKA
Kaya ka bang adam ban on menta kadai ba pinsiam me kata ka kabu pinsiam me kata ka ka ba ime ipai ai syapi kum kalat ban ba pin pule ba pin pai seki higher study kenang ba pin la ban bu ya ka competition hapreng jong pi ba ki wei pat ki brio ki banabal te kum bang i menta ma ha ki jel ha ka jela ka jungi buni naki lakam sensar na ne buni ha ki department ki bahe labat daki officers ki ba dei pat nakiwe ki jelama kay kada ko bala tulong kumta kalong ba ladang ipet ya ka education level jong ki samla ka jungi kimpat ya ringkat hanuru bat kita ki briu ki ba naba te sakawairu ngasukwa ban peni example ba mentar wat hakam riboiru wat udisi udai do briu banabar te nakaliang jongi ngikwa ban yi ba nakanihi ka kelas haka wegas ni nginyo ya kita ki officer baper let's say dan nak tangjo ki bakwa banlong nong yalam hendrai haba pitep ya ki an ki kanun kalong ka bensuk ya pi banyale lada kinu ki an ki bakta ya gajat benriu kinwan pila i bankang ya ki mo te sakawai pat ka bangakwa banong kalong ba mentar hawa ni dan mo ya kita ki minister ki nong yalam ki jongi hendrai ki long ki bom ngalak benong ki bompat datip kata-kata ya kaan ki happen up ya kata ka advice na ki way pat ki officer la benong kum kita ki IAS officer kum tangan cu example pi hakani ka setiap jongi yo lakam sencar buni babat da kita ki langut ki IAS officer kum Ramesh Kumar batu sempat Kumar te kini ki minister jungi haba ki mut panle ya kai ki don kam ya kata tela da ni hi ki trajela nilong nila ban poi ha kata ka kerdan kaba kita ki we ki banabar kila nganget bangi rukung kisang balang minum don kam su ban mi madan minum don kam su ban rak slogan ki baper ki ban persya ya ka sarkar nganget ba ngani syakmat anda labuni uban le poi sya kata ka thom kinong dam siru kisang balang nganget ba kanlong kumta te ka ka bangidon menta kalong tang katahi ban ai mesti mepi ba haba pidan ya ka jingtu trestom wala kalong akan nuko doru tang kini kintien kublai bun kublai hajarni
akwa ban kentu lada ngi ki kun samla lada ngi ki samla pule lada ngi yala ki mi ki pa ngi ya ka jait benriu kan mau ba ngin syem ya kejing pule hakmat ba ngin pensobha ya ki kmi ki pa da kata ke jing tre system jongi ba ngin long kita ki officer ki bahe ba ke jingle school ka jungi kan kut tang haki kelas 12 ne kelas 10 la ne kata ka jingle pule ka jungi kan long tangkum kalat bangin ni kenduk samla la ne bangi yolok no shitengpor ngi kum hamanta kisngi ngi kena khalai snem khatsau snem ki la yolok tang ha kelas 8 kelas 7 kan ne kalong ka ba PEC ya ka jai benreu kwen lada PH ya ka jai benreu PH ya ka rikasi to shim ya ka sai sin ngaong to shim ya ka ne ka atiar jong ka jing pule ka jong pi ba pin tre system ba kan long ba pin 8 ya ka jai benreu
Ka Hinyo Trap Youth Council Maupat Telong Pleng Unit hakas ngi balang jong ka tayo kala penlong ya ka awareness program bat ka free medical health camp hakas nong Maupat Telong Pleng hakabada kispa angut kipat ba kila yo jing mentoy na ka ni ka program
Kahnyo Trap Youth Council maupat Telong Pleng Unit ha kasing balang jong tayo kalapan long ya ka program pensuto pat ba bat kelumpung ajing sumar ha kasnong maupat Telong Pleng ha ka barikis pangut ki pat ba kleo jing mentoy nang program. Ha gani ka program i Dr. Irene Wanyang, Dr. D. Karbhi, Dr. Kentiuna Maulong bat kiwe-kiwe ki doktor renggat ka jingadon lang uba John Lengdo kumukongsan. U Presiden ke HYC maupat Telong Pleng Unit uba Amarius Nong Siet, u Menteri Kesnong uba Don Bok Lang Karlengdo bat kiwe-kiwe. Ki doktor gila ajing batai ki pat ba halor kejing don kaman le kuat. Kajing sniu na kajing di penbuat bat kejing kata jong kajing syongka kena bat halor kaan pokso. Ka HYC kala penlong ru ya ka clean and pick up program ha ka ba khat prangot ki khna kile shimbenta ha ka banta mi ginyut kinyer ha ka ba ubayo lum bon ta mi ginyut ulong nong job kinong shnong ki bapang bastom kilalit pen i bat pha sumar lade he ki doktor bat yo ki dawai leng ba ka jing a jing sumar ka balong ka jing mentoy gitu ki balawan na ki long yeng ki baduna ka yo ka kot.
Ngakulan pangan nombret Pathan ya kinyut kinyer kamtam ya ki plastik ki balong kimar ki bomput ngakularu ban ikai ya kiwe syapang kajing lekut.
Barok sikata la saki ya kejinga lap ban penlong ya kenong ba shalong ke bakut ke basupa hendrai kani kam sim langam satya hakikat tu kani nabaki yai beteng ban bret ya kinyut klem dadon ya kenu kejing perwa bahkan pentut pat ya kayat kayeng jongki weipan.
Walabun ki persyang ban penlong ya kenong ba shalong ke bakut ke basuba da ke banok senyang kat bala. Hendrai la saki pat bakiladon ki brio ki balet ban bret kinyut kinyer ka kendo bat kimau ha kesurok keberan habot cerut kani kejing bread ikini kalong hasil enter jong kani kesurok klam da perkhat syo ba kelak ta apat iki kali bat kipat ba kibayat kibayang na kani kejaka hagini kisni habak ladon kejing jauh slap ka keti bat kini kinyut kinyer kilat tut lut cesurok bat kala penjabo kani kathan bat pensertok ikinong yat nong yeng kibabon kila subajor baya ka kendo usiap bat kimau kibasop ya ka rong surok kiba lalit berat hakane kathan kedai kabalapha deki kontraktor kiba shna surok bat lale akane kam tang ha kapor men miet ha ka ba omnan bayat bayang syu hakane kajaka ka badum teliu ka shillong cantonment board keladap da kejing menyau halor kane kejing wan the anyut tham akor ki brio hasilan tar jong ka bot cherut u CEO jong ka shillong cantonment board u Ayush Moria uloong bayamenta kilapan abrio ban pahara bat kilayok ban kami kawai kekali kat ba kadang berat jaklia kena kesurok bat kilalit ujor ejahar haki pulet bagian le keberan kam ulong bah ke office kalamat jeng namar haki ar laisnem kiblalet kilabo iki solar light kena kesurok hendra kinong tu kila tu lot iki tiar kitar u Ayush ulong bu dan jeng temu banang ni syakmat an pendat no deki kor CCTV hasilantar jeng kesurok ban peniat pahara rengkat bat ban buono ke pos elektrik ban tek lakam ke jingwan tek anyut bat ban penolong ya kena kejaka ke basingan ha ke bayat bayang.
We have taken basically we are planning to do it in a two-way approach. One is a short-term approach and a long-term approach. In a short term, we have placed a board, we have placed some guards, and we have caught one vehicle also, and we have put an FIR in the local police station. The long term, the solution would definitely be the CCTV cameras, and in fact we have placed that area is actually very dark, and the sunlight, the solar panel we have placed 2 years or 3 years back, they also have got stolen, so we have put an FIR also that. So we are facing this menace since a long time, and we are working on it. Of course, awareness campaign are also going to be run. So the problem basically is the dumping, illegal dumping. It's coming from outside. The construction activities are going on outside the cantonment area, and it's been dumping. And we have caught one vehicle also, so we have done the FIR. So short-term measure is definitely this, and long-term we will definitely look to put some CCTV cameras and continuous patrolling along with the lighting of the streets in the darker time, the night time. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hashwa begini kami iki kubor ke badang sa nginya pai biang shwashi por sekini ki jingpen bada.
Are you panicky with the level of low AMH in your blood reports? AMH is the anti-Mullerian hormone that is released from your eggs. It is the indicator of the balance of your eggs at that particular time. It doesn't indicate your chances of pregnancy at all. So even if your AMH is 0.2, you still have a fair chance of pregnancy.
Hashwa begini kami iki kubor ngin penken mau biang ya kimat pakongsan jung kubor mentakatayo. Rai ka KHADC, JHADC ban GHADC ban persya ya uniform civil code. Enya cakamat ke sarkar ban penken ria ya kibasa athemeto. Penkutno ke NHIDCL ya ka kontrak bat ke AR SS Nabashna Torti ya kesurok. Wengno ya ke BSF na po kesnong amlarem dawa ke KSU na ke sarkar jela. Kang ke FKJGP ya kumbasan hadu unril tuli ke karkhana HMIDC umyam na bapenya claim trading ne labor license. Berat nyut pathar ke riu shim kabu hasilan ter ke Butcher Road. Bat sakat nu insertok ki ba tang nakadaw ke jing ko trekam ke sarkar. Hakasi balang jong katayo ka Meghalaya Football Association MFA kala pelat ba ya ka syap bat ka theme song jong ka Lempung Yakob Meghalaya Super League MSL ka banlong ha ubenai banwan ha ka jalang ka balalong ha State Convention Center.
Presiden ka Meghalaya Football Association uba LM Sawian ula pelat ba ya ka syap batamai jong ka association. Karba Tournament Director jong ka Meghalaya Super League uba W karkerang ula pelat ba ya ka theme song bat ka website jong ka Meghalaya Football Association ha ka balaidan lang kinong peniat bat kinong ilakai jong ki arpusan teligi kinhon ilakai football bat kiwei Haba ajeng kerana kejingalang ubak sawian uloong baban kentiu kejingil akai football ha kejela om dei ban penlong tangi kejingya kop elakai football na kebentak bahaya. Nrei dei ban penlong ya kejingya kop naduk kekerdan jengki hebret haduk kibalahaya. Namar ban penlong ya kelumpung ya kop tang na kebentai kibalahaya kan om kentiu ya ka kamel akai football ha kejela. Unang ilam ka Meghalaya Football Association uloong bahak pertai bergawai kari India kadon ki kerdan ki basis patam hak football hak liang cenrang. Nrei na kaliang ki kentai pat kari India ka kadon hak kerdan ke bahap osan po. Kumta lada kari India ka kwa banyo elakai hak World Cup football kumta di ban kentiu ya ka jing elakai football wat ki kentai ru ha ka jela.
So it has been showing that Meghalaya has consistently been performing. And undoubtedly this time we have done well by reaching the finals of the Santosh Trophy, which I think is a tribute to the football-loving people of Meghalaya. Football is a very, very popular sport here in Meghalaya and is due to the love and support of the people of the state that we perhaps have reached where we have. But internally, deep inside, we also know that there is much, much more to be achieved and much, much more to be done. And it is with this objective and this vision that we launch the new MSL. And we believe that the future of Meghalaya football, to develop football to the next level, we need to not only look at a senior league. So from now on, going forward, maybe this is 1 year where we are playing with the state team or with the senior teams. But in the future years, the vision of the MSL is that the MSL will start from the age of 4, 5, 6 all the way to professional football players. So when we talk about MSL in the future, our objective is that we will have the baby leagues in each of the district associations of Meghalaya, where we will allow and give an opportunity to young budding kids to start playing football from the age of 4, 5 onwards up to 12 in a regular and a professional manner. I'm happy to see that the Shillong Sports Association has already taken some initiatives in this regard. They have been conducting some junior leagues beyond the under 15s, or rather below the under 15s. And I take this opportunity to inform all our members here that are present from the different district associations that MFA is currently in talks with the government to prepare a master plan where the development of football will begin from the grassroots. But
Da kejing temu banyale ban kentiu ya kejing elakai football hapok kathem ribhoi ka Pay for Rights Football Academy PFRFA hakala sing ublai jong katayo kalapan bana bakan sedang no kejing a jing hikai football nakabanta ki khana ki basong basa haribhoi district.
Ki nong yalam ka Pay for Rights Football Academy habai kran beginong pathai kubor kletho bah ka khatlai tere ujemang arajar arpulai kin sedang no eka slam ai jing hikai yaki kena ret nado saus nam karta hado khat pras nam karta haga jing elakai football bat kene ke jing ai jing hikai kan long ha umbang sumer kletho ba jing thumu ban penlong ya kane kadai ban kentiu ka sap ka phong elakai football jing ki kena ret ka than ribhoi bat ban kentiu langru ke jing elakai football ha ka jela ka Pay for Rights Football Academy kala pentip ba kalala bansai bun ut kinong elakai bane elakai Sabar ke jela bat bane don benta bat ki weki club ki badan Sabar ke jela haga jing elakai football kino peniat ka Pay for Rights Football Academy klietho bakadaw ko la penlong yaki ban sedang ya ka academy kadai ban plelat ki kena ki bamsa apa konong ba Shillong ban yo lem ya kalat ban elakai bat ban yo jing hikai bat ban pentebet shushu elade haga jing elakai football
ban promote ya ka grassroots football hapo Karibhoi district kumbalong manta ka PFR Football Academy kalong ka way next lemay jingkai ka balakyo habaro kibenta kumba pi ati baro kanika academy nilayo man pa players Sabar Jong State last time kumba ping kemangilawan ni Shong press conference kidon ki club ISL keba napo Hyderabad kala JT player ki jongi menjendan menta per klub jongi bat ki we pat ki club ma ki ban Sabar State ki ba lawan menchimi player jungi ki don ki players nani na po academy jungi ki bala sha ki bangila ai lun syaki club jongka Assam na ka benta benyakun ya ka league po Assam kini ka jingdan jong ka slam ai jingkai ka jongi hang ni hapo Shillong kala ai jumto sibon ji khna ki bsyong masa hapo kani ka than jong ka Shillong hi brokaway te kumbang yi ba bon ki khna haba ki one admission hne ka academy jungi kidi ki khna ki ba na kidi khna ki ba one ki ba na sijungai kum na sipa West Khasi Hills kidang ki ba one po Jaintia Hills but kidang ki ba one po Riboy district di kini ki khna ki ba one admission po ka ni ka center jungi po Shillong kidi khna ki ba one puli atat chini te ka ek ba pelong pa jungi ben seng ye kani ka slam ai jing kai hang te po Riboy kalong ban ai lat lem ye ki weipat ki bamsa po Shillong bakin yo lang ye kani ka kabuk siar ma ya kani ka jing kai ka bapaka ya ka jing kai nadu grassroots level khnang ba kumang itip benda ba ka football hi kala de ka professional game ngimla su benong mencu kai ngimla su mencu mi badan kem da yo ya ka proper coaching te de halor kani ka nong dem la sing di ka selama jing kai bangin ya ka proper coaching ye ki khna nadu ki khna ba sausnem hadu ka prasnem kentei ba chendrang
Ka Opus Strakam Jonka District Sports Officer Jonka East Khasi Hills hakane ka tayo kalayo ban penlong ya ka lumpung ya lekai hapdeng ki khana school nakaleng ka ni ka district ya ka ni ka lumpung ka balatip kum ka Chief Minister's District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet arajar arpolai la penlong nadu ka arpon rio hadu ka arpo pratarik menta ubna yayong arajar arpolai hamadan Jonka Sai hanehu
Hagni ka jeng kop ka balai sni ki khana ak balami khmat ek school boper ki bahag district East Khasi Hills Glesham banta ki jeng kop boper ki jeng ilakai ki bahab ak athletics bagan thup ki jeng kop mare ha ka jingjengai ha ki kerdan boper ki basedang nadu shispa meter shaneng ka hexathlon ka discus throw ka javelin throw ka shot put ka high jump ka long jump bat ki bedi ki jeng ilakai yakini ki jeng kop lapia hala ki jong ki kerdan kat kum karta bagan thup ki bahapo kat sausnam karta ki bahapo kat nriu bat hapo kat prasnam karta wala baro ki blesham banta kini ki jeng kop ki la persang manwar ana me lagi jong ki school nrai ha ka bakut hi ki khna ki bani ki school na ka sor Shillong ki kampau bat yo ban kamai kambon ki takma yakanam best athlete ha ka kerdan jong ki bahapo kat sausnam karta la yo daw wedan Jaku Greg Bimarak na St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong kat ban na kalyang kikentai pat layo da ka Alithia CL Nongpure na ka Loreto Convent Shillong na kabenta ki bahapo kanro snam karta kanam best athlete layo du bahalang lengdo na ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong kat ban na kalyang kikentai pat layo da ka Chitra Malik na ka St. Mary's High Secondary School Shillong Bat na kabenta ki bahapo kat prasnam karta yakanam best athlete layo da Renaldi Dhar na ka H. Elias Memorial High Secondary School Shillong. Hakani kelumpung Yakob ko balai singi wala baro ki kena jek school boper ki la persang banetun jo bor bat banjob ki jing Yakob ki babunjat. Ndrai haka bakat do haka kedran jo ki bahapo kat sausnam karta ki rang bat ki thai ki bala kampau syakmat haki jing lakai boper ki kentop ki kena jong St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong ki bala job santali kita kemaksiar artali kita kemarupa bat kowe kita kemarenong kat banak liang ki kentai pat ke St. Mary's High Secondary School Shillong kala job artali kita kemaksiar kowe kita kemarupa bat sautali kita kemarenong na kebenta ki bahapo kan terus nam karta ke St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong kala job hendreu tali kita kemaksiar lai tali kita kemarupa bat lai tali kita kemarenong kat mana kalian kikentai ke St. Mary's High Secondary School Shillong kala job hendreu tali kita kemaksiar artali kita kemarupa bat sautali kita kemarenong hak jengkop jong ki bahapo kat prasnam karta na kaliang shenrang ki blajob ekata kemaksiar kidan sangut ki bajob ekata kemarupa kidan sangut bat ki bajob ya kata kemarenong kidan sangut kat mana kaliang kikentai jong ki bahapo kat prasnam karta ki blajob ya kata kemaksiar kidan sangut Om Shem ladon bayo kata kemarupa, bat kebelayo ya kata kemarenong kidan.
All the athletes, please can you stand up in your places?
Kat banang yat kesengi ke jelajongi kelanang her haki babuan kiliang namar kejing teko trekam kitenat bapher ban ai kejing syakri ke bajanai tam sikinong song ke jela kam tam ban penbit penbiang ye kejing don kam bahakmat ke badon kam man lakasngi hakejing jongki lengba kani ko khubor nginya pha saki artli kimat ki ba ke sarkar kalad ko saba palat pun ke balak tak jori ki pa kam tam ye ka plateng ka jongki ngin happy bapinyakmi yaki kita ki jing ko trekam jong ke sarkar
kari bro mulai kari badang lak untuk kod kapan kapor siapa kapor ngadeng dua bersong nilai persiang untuk kod nilai training ke departemen
Orang ila poi sikabakut chung ka thup khubor chung i menta ka tayo ngin se syambyang bat phi la syam tayo kublai shipu